बच्चों आज हम लेंगे ये डेंसिटी फॉर्मूला। डेंसिटी ऑफ ए क्रिस्टल लैटिस या डेंसिटी ऑफ यूनिट सेल का एक न्यूमेरिकल बोर्ड में आता है। बहुत सिंपल है। डेंसिटी ऑफ ए क्रिस्टल लैटिस इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स इन यूनिट सेल into molar mass of that compound divided by volume of unit cell into Avogadro's number. Simple. How many particles are there in unit cell? Into molar mass of crystal, NaCl crystal, cesium chloride crystal, whatever type of crystal, aluminum crystal. In case of aluminum, it will be atomic mass. In case of a compound, it will be molar mass. Or in case of a ionic compound, it will be formula mass divided by volume of unit cell into Avogadro's number. So it is number of particles, suppose it is Z, molar mass M divided by volume of unit cell. Unit cell is cubic unit cell, A cube into Avogadro's constant. So this formula is universally used to find out the density of crystal solid. You can write crystalline solid here. And here, like we are having example, we will take example of sodium chloride crystal. So what kind of unit cell is there for this NaCl? You know, it has FCC structure arrangement. It has FCC for face centered cubic unit cell, and Z is equal to what? 4 for face centered. Z is equal to 4, and molar mass of NaCl is equal to 58.5, Na 23, and Cl 35.5. 58.5 gram per mole. And A is equal to, suppose edge length is given 100 pm. So it will be converted into meter or centimeter. So 100 into 10 raised to power minus 10 centimeter. That is 10 raised to power 8 centimeter. And Na is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. So by putting these values in this formula, we can find out density of sodium chloride crystal. So let we have one question. Find out density of NaCl crystal if edge length is 100 pm. So density formula rho is equal to Z, number of particles, into molar mass divided by volume. Volume will be A cube into Avogadro's number. So put these values here. In case of sodium chloride, it is FCC, so Z is 4. Number of particles per unit cell is 4. And molar mass is 58.5 gram per mole divided by A cube. A cube is 100 pm. So it will be 100 into 10 minus 10 centimeter, that is 10 minus 8. So it will be 10 raised to power minus 8 whole cube into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 moles. So it will be centimeter cube, and answer will come 4 into 58.5 divided by 10 raised to power minus 24 into, it will be centimeter cube, 6.02 to 10 raised to power 23. This will be number per mole. These are the number per mole. So mole will cancel by mole, and it will be gram per centimeter cube. So you can calculate it. 4 into 58.5 divided by 6.02 into 10 raised to power minus 24 into 10 raised to power 23. So 10 raised to power minus 1. So we can calculate from here density of this crystal. So calculate, after simplifying, density of sodium chloride crystal will be 3.9 into 10 raised to power 2 gram per centimeter cube. In this way we can calculate density of a crystal.